Hey, how you guys doing? See, I'm gonna make some nice, easy, quick, very quick, delicious meal. This is pasta boiling. See that? That's pasta boiling, yeah? That's my pot ready to go. This is some mushroom, parsley. This is salmon, that's salmon there, salmon. Meat stock, red onion, black pepper that I just blended, yeah? I'm gonna stay that way. And then double cream. So the idea is I'm gonna fry that, add the meat stock, put in salmon in there, crush them all, and then my double cream and make a white sauce with pasta, and that's going to come out looking very delicious and very beautiful. You see, like I said before, beautiful meal and tasteful and delicious and healthy meal. You don't need millions of ingredients. Very few ingredients, you make a very, very delicious meal. But look at it. This is mushroom, red onion, salmon, 2 salmon, meat stock, double cream, black pepper. I'm not using all of it yet. I just blend them up because I was running out. Salt, olive oil. That's my pasta boiling. My pot's ready to go, and I'll make a beautiful meal, and I'll keep you posted. So you have a nice day. Yeah, that's it. You see that? This is what I'm talking about, man. It's as simple as that. You know what I'm saying? It's as simple as that. This is what I call quick one. Parsley in there. A lot of parsley. Black pepper. See, be careful when you put your black pepper. Before me, I know the quantity of things I need. Stir it around. You see that? Mushroom. Whack it in there. Whack all that mushroom in there. That's it. You see the mushroom? Everything's going in there. We're going to fry all them things together. Yeah. Salt to taste. See, it sounds funny, yeah? But I'll tell you what, guys. I'll tell you what, guys. This is going to be delicious. This is going to come out looking really good. So I will keep it posted. Yeah, that's it. You see? See what I'm talking about? See that? Let's fry it together. There's a little salt in there. Everything is in there, you know. And that's what I'm talking about. So what's going to happen now is my salmon will go in there. You see, I just put the salmon in there. I do it in a kind of rough way, you know, but you know what, man, good cooking, you don't require too many smooth way. You just do things your way. They're going to all come together. Ingredient, after all, is cooking. All the ingredients we have to go in anyway. So we go put that cream in there. Yeah. So later on, when the cream is boiling, then we'll decide if we're going to put some of those frozen meat stock in there, and we'll take it from there. So that depends on how thick we want it to look like. So we'll leave that to slow cook. So I'll reduce the heat, see that, to 3. I'll leave it to slow cook. When it's slow cook, then that way, the salmon is going to get really done and tender, and I can kind of smash them because I want them to be in little chunks. So I'm just going to break them with my spoon, and then after that, I get all the texture I want ready. I whack that in there, mix it up, and voila, a beautiful, tasty, healthy meal is ready. Pasta, and you're going to see how beautiful this is going to come out looking. So I will keep you posted. Have a nice day. Yeah, as you can see, it's cooking slowly. Yeah, I forgot to say it. I'm going to grate some Parmesan cheese and add it to that. So I split my chicken stock into 2, you see. So I'm going to take that, see the other one there. I'm just going to drop that in there and then let it all cook together. It's going to melt, it's going to cook. And I mean my meat stock, not chicken stock, meat stock. So it's going to cook, and then I can grate some Parmesan cheese, add it to it, and then you know what, once the salmon is ready, I'm just going to smash them into chunks, and then voila, you're going to see how this is going to come out. So that's the frozen meat stock in there, and I'll leave it like that, and it's going to melt, and then I'll keep it posted. And then I'll grate my Parmesan cheese while that is boiling slowly to go in there and give it a little thickening flavor and cheesy taste. Yeah, it's ready to go. Come join me. Keep it posted. I'm going to grate this Parmesan cheese. I'm going to grate it and add it. See the salmon is ready? Yeah, you see they're soft. So I'm just going to smash that. Smash them all, smash them into pieces. See, that's the idea. See that? I smash it into pieces, you see? Smash it into pieces. See that? So that they're going to be in chunks. You see? You see that? Look at that texture, you see? Just smash them into pieces. You see that? Ah. Yes, that's the idea. So this is just with 2 frozen salmon steak. And I'm making it nice, see? You see the salmon? There's a lot of salmon in there now. See? They're all everywhere. They're everywhere. Yeah. So now, it's ready. I'm just going to grate my Parmesan cheese, whack it in there, and that's the pasta ready to go. And that pasta is going to go in there, mix it all together, and I'm ready to go. Beautiful, tasteful, healthy, and delicious meal ready in less than a few minutes. And simple ingredients, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to taste that and make sure there's enough salt. I'll keep it posted. Yes, yes, now you can see. See, slow cooking, grated cheese. Whack that in there. That's the cheese in there. Give it a little bit of thickness and the cheesy taste in there. You see that? See that? That's the cheese. Look at that. It's not thick. Yeah? Nice one, innit? Ah. We're ready to go, mates. And that's where the justice comes in. See what, yeah? Me. It's gone in. You see that? Don't do this at home with me. I'm a very stubborn man. Now you can see I've stirred it around. You see that? All the mushroom, all that cream, all that salmon. Nice and tasteful, you know. Woo! Look at that. Nice and tasteful. You stir it around. White sauce. You see? White cheesy sauce. With pasta, mushroom and salmon. Yeah, parsley, salt to taste, olive oil. You see that? It's as simple as that. Isn't that looking beautiful? That's what I'm talking about. And tasteful and healthy as well. So you have a nice day and feel free to join me. I'll keep you posted. Yeah, so that's it. Nice and beautiful. Give that a good stir around, you know. You know what I'm saying? Give it a good stir around. Ready to go. This is pasta with salmon, mushroom, double cream, and Parmesan cheese, you know. That is ready to go. Look at that. You see that? Yeah, that's a beautiful meal. Healthy, beautiful, tasteful, and healthy as well. So yeah, so feel free to join me. See how simple it is. Turn off the heat. See how simple it is? It's as simple as that. Few ingredients, but very tasteful. That's what you need. You don't need millions of ingredients or a lot of money to make a good food, you know. So this doesn't even cost me up to, let me say, I got the salmon at home. So everything, I got some stuff. So it doesn't even cost me up to £5 to get this done. So that's it. So you have a nice day. Stay blessed.